Hey everyone!
Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting challenge for you. Guess the extinct animals. We'll show you and give you a hint for each extinct animal.
You have 10 seconds to guess. Ready?
Let's get started. Question 1. A large, woolly mammoth.
This massive, woolly creature roamed the Ice Age plains. What is it?
Answer is woolly mammoth.
Question 2. A fierce, prehistoric cat with large saber-like teeth. Known for its long, curved canine teeth. What's this predator called?
Answer is Saber-Tooth Tiger, Smilodon.
Question 3. A large, flightless bird native to Mauritius. This bird went extinct in the 17th century and was known for its inability to fly. What is it?
Answer is Dodo. Question 4. A prehistoric marine reptile with a long neck.
This aquatic reptile had a long neck and lived during the Mesozoic era. What is it?
Answer is Plesiosaurus. Question 5. A giant ground sloth from the Pleistocene epoch. This slow-moving giant was one of the largest land mammals.
What's its name?
Answer is Megatherium. Question 6. A large, carnivorous dinosaur with a distinctive crest on its head.
Known for its speed and agility, this dinosaur had a crested head. Can you guess it?
Answer is Dilophosaurus. Question 7. A large, extinct bird that once lived in North America. This bird was known for its incredible size and strength.
What is it?
Answer is Teratorn, Argentavis magnificens. Question 8. A massive, prehistoric shark.
This ancient shark was one of the largest and most powerful predators in the ocean. What's its name?
Answer is Megalodon. Question 9. A large herbivorous dinosaur with a long neck and tail.
This dinosaur is famous for its long neck, allowing it to reach high vegetation. What is it called?
Answer is Brachiosaurus. Question 10. A small, flightless bird native to New Zealand. This bird was native to New Zealand and became extinct due to human activity. What is it? Answer is Moa.
How are you doing so far?
Make sure to comment below with your score. Let's continue with more extinct animals. Question 11. A large, herbivorous dinosaur known for its plated back and spiked tail. This dinosaur had distinctive plates along its back. Can you guess its name? Answer is Stegosaurus. Question 12. A prehistoric rhinoceros with a massive horn. This large mammal had a prominent horn and lived during the Ice Age. What is it called? Answer is woolly rhinoceros, Coelodonta antiquitatis. Question 13. A large, extinct amphibian from the Permian period. This giant amphibian lived in the water and on land. What's its name? Answer is Diplocalus. Question 14. A massive carnivorous dinosaur with tiny arms. Known for its powerful bite and tiny arms, this dinosaur was a top predator. What is it? Answer is Tyrannosaurus rex. Question 15. A prehistoric horse relative known for its large size. This prehistoric mammal was a distant relative of modern horses. What is it? Answer is Paraceratherium. Question 16. A large, prehistoric bird with a strong beak. This bird, known as the terror bird, had a powerful beak. What's its name? Answer is Phorusrhacos. Question 17. A small, extinct marsupial from Australia.
This striped marsupial was native to Australia and Tasmania. What is it?
Answer is Thylacine, Tasmanian tiger. Question 18. A giant, extinct armadillo from South America.
This prehistoric creature was a large, armored mammal. Can you name it?
Answer is Glyptodon. Question 19. A prehistoric, crocodile-like reptile. This large reptile lived in the water and resembled a modern crocodile.
What is it?
Answer is Deinosuchus. Question 20. A massive, extinct elephant with straight tusks. This ancient elephant had long, straight tusks. What's its name? Answer is Mastodon. Question 21. A prehistoric flying reptile with a wingspan of over 30 feet.
This enormous flying reptile soared through the skies of the Mesozoic era. What is it?
Answer is Quetzalcoatlus. Question 22. A small, flightless bird native to the North Atlantic.
This bird, also known as the original penguin, went extinct in the 19th century. What is it?
Answer is Great auk. Question 23. A giant, prehistoric scorpion from the Devonian period.
This ancient scorpion was one of the largest arthropods ever to exist.
What's its name? Answer is Pulmonoscorpius. Question 24. A large, extinct lemur from Madagascar. This lemur was one of the largest primates and lived in Madagascar.
Can you guess its name?
Answer is Megalatopus.
Question 25. A prehistoric reptile known for its sail-like back. This reptile had a distinctive sail on its back, used for thermoregulation. What is it called?
Answer is Dimetrodon. Question 26. A large, extinct mammal that resembled a modern-day hippopotamus.
This prehistoric mammal lived in rivers and swamps. What is it?
Answer is Hippopotamus gorgips. Question 27. A giant, prehistoric bird with long legs. Known as the elephant bird, this avian was one of the heaviest birds ever. What's its name? Answer is Apiornis. Question 28. A large, extinct herbivorous dinosaur with a bony frill. This dinosaur had a large frill and 3 facial horns. What is it called? Answer is Triceratops. Question 29. A prehistoric marine reptile with paddle-like limbs. This marine reptile was known for its fish-like body and flippers. Can you name it? Answer is Ichthyosaurus. Question 30. A large, prehistoric bear from the Pleistocene epoch. This prehistoric bear was one of the largest land carnivores. What is it? Answer is short-faced bear, Arctodus. Question 31. A giant, prehistoric turtle. This ancient turtle was one of the largest to ever exist. What's its name? Answer is Archelon. Question 32. A large, extinct bird known for its powerful beak. This bird, also called the terror bird, had a strong, hooked beak. What is it? Answer is Titanus. Question 33. A prehistoric mammal with long, curved tusks and a trunk. This elephant-like mammal had distinctive, curved tusks.
Can you guess it?
Answer is Gomphothere. Question 34. A large, prehistoric fish with a heavily armored head.
This ancient fish had a head covered in thick bony plates. What's its name?
Answer is Dunkleosteus. Question 35. A small, extinct reptile with a sail-like crest.
This reptile, known for its sail, lived during the Permian period. What is it?
Answer is Edaphosaurus. Question 36. A prehistoric bird with a huge wingspan. This bird was one of the largest flying birds ever recorded.
What's its name?
Answer is Pelagornis sandersii. Question 37. A giant, extinct herbivorous mammal with a large trunk. This mammal, resembling an elephant, lived in Asia.
What is it called?
Answer is Dinotherium. Question 38. A large, prehistoric carnivorous mammal from South America.
This predatory mammal had large, shearing teeth. Can you name it?
Answer is Thylacosmolus. Question 39. A prehistoric reptile known for its unique head crest.
This dinosaur had a distinctive, tube-like crest on its head. What is it? Answer is Parasaurolophus.
Question 40. A large, extinct wolf that lived during the Ice Age. This prehistoric wolf was larger and more robust than modern wolves.
What's its name?
Answer is dire wolf. Question 41. A massive, prehistoric mammal known for its enormous claws.
This giant ground sloth had huge claws for tearing vegetation. What is it?
Answer is Megalonyx. Question 42. A prehistoric marine reptile with a long, slender body.
This marine reptile had an elongated body and lived in the Triassic period. What is it?
Answer is Tanystropheus. Question 43. A large, extinct marsupial from Australia. This giant marsupial resembled a wombat and lived in Australia.
What is it?
Answer is Diprotodon. Question 44. A prehistoric whale known for its sharp teeth. This ancient whale was a top predator in the oceans.
What's its name?
Answer is Basilosaurus. Question 45. A small, extinct bird with vibrant plumage. This bird, once found in the Pacific, had beautiful, colorful feathers.
What is it called?
Answer is Hawaiian oo. Question 46. A large, prehistoric amphibian with a flat head. This amphibian had a wide, flat head and lived in the Carboniferous period.
What's its name?
Answer is Oreops. Question 47. A giant, extinct bird known for its inability to fly. This massive bird was one of the largest birds ever and could not fly.
What is it?
Answer is Dromornis. Question 48. A prehistoric mammal known for its long, tusk-like teeth. This mammal had long, tusk-like canines and lived in the Eocene.
What is it called?
Answer is Andrewsarchus. Question 49. A large, extinct bird with a curved beak. This bird, known as the elephant bird, had a powerful, curved beak.
What's its name?
Answer is Vorum titan. Question 50. A massive, prehistoric reptile known for its spiny back. This large reptile had a spiny sail on its back.
What is it called?
Answer is Spinosaurus.
Great job, everyone! How many extinct animals did you guess correctly? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun quizzes.
See you next time.